And now, taking the field is the Guyer High School Marching Band. The Guyer Band is directed by Amy Woody, Dr. Ellis Hampton, Oscar Band, and Susan Hange. Drum majors are Savannah Eckert, Sydney Tischler, and Preston Wheat. Now, presenting its 2018 contest show, Starburst, please welcome the Guyer High School Marching Band. The Geyer Band was recently named a 2018 national winner in the Mark of Excellence Wind Band Honors. They are also one of only 4 high schools from the U.S. selected to perform at the Western International Band Clinic in Seattle, November 17th. The Geyer Band recently placed 7th in finals at the 2018 Golden Triangle Classic. Upcoming contest performances include the U.S. Bands Contest here at Collins Stadium on October 6th, UIL Region 2 Contest at Northwest ISD Stadium on October 20th, and the UIL 6A Area Marching Band Contest in Mesquite on October 27th. Let's hear it one more time for the Geyer Marching Band. Don't forget, if you haven't visited one of our food trucks tonight, they still have plenty of delicious food and drinks to purchase. A portion of each sale will benefit the band programs in Denton ISD. Discover why the University of North Texas College of Music is one of the largest music student bodies in the nation. The UNT community is diverse and welcoming in a town named #1 for music majors and one of the best communities for music education. Experience the excellence, integrity, and imagination of the University of North Texas College of Music. Explore what UNT has to offer at music.unt.edu.